Tonight, we gather not just as colleagues or business partners, but as a family united by our shared values and aspirations.
Sa 2025, ang ginugol ko is maparami pa yung mga distributors.
I'm looking for more business opportunities for 2025 and expansion po sa brand and more business partners.
Looking forward talaga ako for next year, sa next anniversary, na mas marami akong downline na magiging millionaire circle dito kay Emcor.
And tonight, we will mark the very first graduation of the Emcor Success Academy's The Business School. You know, the Business School was attended by a select few. And only 20 of the top Emcor leaders were invited to enroll in this program. And tonight, we are honoring 14 of those leaders who successfully completed all the requirements for graduation in Emcor's The Business School.
We extend our deepest appreciation to our loyal members and distributors, our pillars of strength, for your dedication and unwavering support. Your commitment and hard work are the foundation of our success. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all our hardworking officers and staff. Your relentless hard work and steadfast dedication have been instrumental in driving our company forward. Let us continue to move forward with faith and determination and the spirit of unity. Together, there's no limit to what we can achieve.
Sa 2025, for sure, mas marami pa magandang mangyayari, no? Kaya sa mga hindi pa member, Emcor, mag-join ka na.
Salamat sa inyong suporta sa ating mga pangarap na magbigay serbisyo at mapabuti ang buhay ng mas marami pa.
Salamat sa iyo, Emcor. Muling magkakakulay ang Pasko. Kikislang ang pag-asa. Kahit kaninong
This young lady here, gusto po lang pong malaman ninyo, she's very persevering. So hardworking, so talented. Tulungan natin dito sa Emcor, tuparin ang kanyang mga pangarap.
Ikaw ang star ng Pasko.
Happy anniversary, Emcor. More prosperity, more support with Emcor.
Looking forward this 2025 para mapalago natin yung negosyo.
Salamat sa iyo, Emcor. Muling magkakakulay ang Pasko. Salamat sa iyo, Emcor.
As the chairman, president, and CEO of our company, I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude and humility.